It won't be still. Like, I'm just trying to take a thumbnail picture and it won't be still. I give up. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving y'all Circus Rainbow Color. I'll be reviewing the Beauty Glazed Colorboard palette and I'll be doing this look. Yes, it's very easy. I promise, no cut crease, straight blending. So let's get into the video. I'm so excited because this is my first palette from Beauty Glazed. I've heard so many good things about it. It's affordable, it's cheap. So I bought the Colorboard palette, which is a palette that has 60 different shades, and it was only $16.88. This is it right here. So this palette came in the mail yesterday. I ordered it on Amazon Prime, so it only took 2 days, free shipping, and it was only $16. Say what? So this palette did come wrapped in plastic. I did take the plastic off because I was having a hard time opening it. Sorry. The outside of the palette is very interesting. It looks like this. It's very nice, very sleek, very cute. Now let's open it. This palette is beautiful and I haven't even looked at it for real. They have a green palette. It's 15 shades on each palette. There's a green palette. Oh my gosh. There is an orange warm palette. There is a blue palette. And there's also a pink purple palette. And they are all either pressed glitter, matte, or shimmer shades. The only thing that bothers me is that it doesn't stay. So when you go like this, it just like comes back down. So be mindful of that. This is really cute and really unique. Like if I had my own makeup brand, I would do something like this. Like I'm disappointed with the outside because you wouldn't expect it to look so cute from this outside packaging. I'm really excited to test this pigment, y'all. So I'm gonna do a few swatches on the back of my hand just to see how the pigment is, cause we're gonna see if it show up. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna do a yellow. Okay. Maybe I ain't do it right. Okay, wait, that's better. That is better. I'm gonna do one pressed glitter and I'm gonna do one shade from the rest of the palettes, only because I'm gonna do a rainbow look on my eyes so you'll be able to see a better range of colors when I actually put it on my face. So I'm gonna do the silver glitter. Y'all, excuse my nails. It's pressed glitter. Oh wow, okay. Okay. Glitter scares me. It's loose but packed at the same time, so I like it. I like it. For the blues, I'm gonna try the shimmer shade and do a swatch with it. I'm also going to try this red shade right here. Honestly, I feel like I'm choosing the wrong colors to test on my hands, so I'm just not gonna swatch no more. We're just gonna hop straight into the eye look to see what's really gonna happen, because maybe when I use a base or primer it'll show up a little better. We'll see. So now I'm going to use a makeup wipe to take it off. Oh wow, okay. It came off very easily. Love to see it. Love to see it. Let's hop into the video. Alright guys, so I'm using tape to make sure the eyeshadow doesn't go past this area since I already have my makeup done. I'm using the Louise eyeshadow base too. I do use this lighter base because I want my colors to pop out as bright and as pigmented as possible. So after evenly blending for my life, I'm taking the lovely Beauty Glazed palette and I'm using a yellow shade. This palette did come with 3 different yellow shades, so I had to play any, mini, miny, mo to choose which one I wanted to use. But I ended up using the warmer tone yellow in the orange palette just because I just wanted to make sure it would look nice and neutral with the rainbow look that I was going for. So after finishing my yellow inner corners, I decided to do one eye cool tones and the other eye warm tones. So on this eye that you see now, I'm using this light shade of blue and I'm skipping a tiny bit of space in between the yellow and blue because I'm gonna put green there, and blue and yellow automatically make green, so I wanted to use green to blend them together. So I realized while looking at the palette, there's not really a true green in this palette, so I had to kind of use what I saw, and this is the closest green shade as far as the matte shadows go. And it worked very nicely, but if you're looking for a true green, honestly, you might have to pull from a different palette because these were really olive-like tone greens, so yeah, be aware of that. So now I'm going in with this lighter shade purple, and I used the darker purple and just went back and forth between the two so it would blend easier. Also, I did not really experience any type of eyeshadow fallout with this palette, but I did try to tap my brush a lot, knowing that other people said they had problems with that. And my makeup was done, so I really wanted to make sure no eyeshadow was falling on my face. Now onto my warm eye. I'm using this red shade, which is more like a red-orange shade, but it looks more red in person. So on camera, it kind of gives like that orange look. But when I apply the actual orange eyeshadow, you'll see the difference. But yeah, so I'm doing the same method as I did with the other eye with the yellow and blue. And I'm using red, leaving space so I can use the orange to blend. Now I'm using a pink shade and I'm just applying it to the end, and I also did go back in with that same dark purple from the other eye to darken up this outer corner. So of course I'm using my E.L.F handy dandy black liquid eyeliner that I use for all of my videos. I just love using this little pot of black liquid. So now I'm just popping on some mascara and putting on some old lashes. I need to really update my lashes because, yeah. So after finally being able to pull the tape off, this was the look, but I'm not done. So I went ahead and added some inner corner highlight, from this palette as well. It was just a lighter white shimmer shade. So now that my eyes are done, I had to do some type of colorful lip to go with my colorful eyes. And so I just put on some red MAC lipstick and boom! Stay tuned for the end of the video to see my overall thoughts about the palette. But y'all, this palette was really great. It was affordable and it was from Amazon, so 2-day shipping, very pigmented, and they gave us a variety of colors to choose from. So like, how can you beat that? Y'all, this is the final look and I'm so shook right now. I look like I just ate a rainbow, okay? I love this. This right here, Beauty Glazed. I will be buying more palettes from them for sure. This was amazing. So make sure you check out the description box for the link to this palette and to my other videos and to my social medias. Invest in this palette. You can do color looks, you can do neutral looks. It didn't swatch on my hand really good, but I promise. Look at the pigment. Also, if you like my hair, I'll link it down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This thing keeps flipping and rolling. Ugh. See, watch. Oh wow. I got glitter in my thumb. I'm gonna cry. And today, I forgot what I was gonna say. Bye guys.